with the arrival of winter and the rainy season, along with the continuous drop in temperatures, the chances of contracting illnesses such as the flu and colds increase, especially if the immune system is weak. However, there are herbs that can be used to alleviate cold symptoms and strengthen the immune system. Herbs that strengthen immunity and protect against colds. Ginger is one of the herbs known for its ability to boost immunity and relieve cold symptoms. Ginger contains antibacterial and antiviral compounds and relieves sore throat infections. Peppermint is an herb that contains antibacterial properties and enhances the respiratory system. Peppermint is useful for relieving nasal congestion and phlegm. 3. Lemon. Lemon is a rich source of vitamin C, which boosts immunity, helps prevent colds and treats sore throat. 4. Basil. Basil is considered one of the herbs with many health benefits, as it contains antibacterial and antiviral properties. Basil helps fight respiratory infections and helps reduce cold symptoms. 5. Garlic. Garlic is a powerful natural herb that is characterized by its ability to strengthen the immune system. Garlic contains compounds such as allicin, which act as an antiviral and antibacterial, and help in treating sore throats. 6. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a natural spice that contains antiviral and antibacterial properties, enhances blood circulation, and helps relieve cough. Thank you, my friends, for liking the video and subscribing to the channel.